recording. Get some basketball highlights in the back. All right, so 4082, 5 boxes. I'll just wait to have more people. Guys, I'll be posting another one after this one. Next one will be the last one for today. So it will be the 6 tins and 3 black diamonds. So 9 multi-box break. But for now, let's do that one. And what I like about this one, the hobby boxes. Don't forget the items and exclusive you can get. Yesterday we had a Miro skin and exclusive. Let's see how there's someone in the parking walking. This is a strange guy. Oh, he said I was light. He went back. Did you see? He saw that you were in the guy down. So many strange people over here. Alright. So good luck, everybody. First bag. Come on. So we start with a Stonewalled. For the Ottawa Senators, Greg Anderson. Greg Anderson Stonewalled for Ottawa. Next we get our first Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Morgan Klimchuk. Morgan Klimchuk, Young Guns for Calgary. Next, we get a canvas for the LA Kings, Tanner Pearson. Tanner Pearson canvas for LA. Oh, we got something. Next, we get a Beauty Portraits Gold, 21 out of 25. Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. So Tampa Bay Lightning Portraits Gold out of 25, Stamkos. And we also have a Stonewall for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Joey Bauer. Beauty Game jersey for the Ottawa Senators, Mark Stone. Mark Stone jersey for Ottawa. So I see Mark. Do you see Mark? Yeah, just started, Mark. I think we got like 5 packs. No Young Guns yet. Next, we get a canvas for the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Well, I think we don't have any Young Guns. I don't remember. I break so many. Next, we got a Stonewall for the Vegas Golden Knights, Malcolm Subban. Malcolm Subban Stonewall for Vegas. Oh, we got a Morgan to the truck Young Guns here. We got one. Second Young Guns, Detroit Red Wings, Philip Hronek. Detroit Red Wings, Young Guns, Philip Hronek. So Detroit is a good team to pick. Many Young Guns for that team. Canvas for the Blues, Joel Edmondson. Stonewall for the New Jersey Devils, Corey Schneider. Schneider Stonewall for the Devils. Canvas for the Montreal Canadiens, Jeff Petrie. Jeff Petrie canvas for Montreal, pack number 12. We got a Shooting Stars for Vegas Blue, William Karlsson. So that was the first half. Mark. There it is. It was behind the Series 1 box. Alright, so. Next, we get a 25 out of 25 Coyotes Clayton Keller. Portraits for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Michael Sergachev. Young Guns, Detroit Red Wings, Dennis Cholowski. Dennis Cholowski, Young Guns for the Wings. Jagger Years, Pittsburgh Penguins. Jagger Years, Pittsburgh. Next, we got a Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ryan Forsling. Carolina Hurricanes, Young Guns. Portraits Columbus, Alexander Venberg. $25 out of 25, Florida, Alexander Barkov. Portraits for the Flyers, Ivan Provorov. Provorov portraits Flyers. Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Travis Dermott. Dermott Young Guns for the Leafs. Jaeger-Years, Washington Capitals. Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. So Kotkaniemi, Young Guns for Montreal. And last pack, we got a portraits for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. That was the first box. Nice box, Kotkaniemi. And a nice gold portrait of Stamkos. Alright, so second series one. Nah, Mark. Thursday, there was so much going on in the story that I forget that series one box, but not today. It won't happen again. Anyway, story's closed now, so quiet. Alright, box number 2. Starting with a base exclusive, 85 out of 100 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Grade 8. And we also have a Stonewall for the Edmonton Oilers, Cam Talbot. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Troy Terry. Canvas for the New Jersey Devils, Blake Coleman. Blake Coleman, canvas for the Devils. 25/25 for Colorado, Nathan MacKinnon. Portraits, Columbus, Artemi Panarin. Young Guns for Vegas, Zach Whitecloud. Whitecloud, Young Guns for Vegas. Next one is the Shooting Stars Blue Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Come on. Stonewall, the San Jose Sharks, Arundel. Arundel Stonewalls for the Sharks. Next, we got a Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Marcus Patterson. Patterson, Young Guns for the Ducks. Canvas for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Just. Tyson Just, canvas, Colorado. Stonewall, the for the New Jersey Devils, Marty Brither. Stonewall for the Devils. Pack number 12, we got a canvas for the Buffalo Sabres, 2 goals tonight, Sam Reinhart. All right, second half. First pack. There we go. Starting with the Jaeger-Years. Pittsburgh Penguins. 25/25 for Carolina, Sebastian Aho. Portraits for the Vancouver Canucks, Brock Besser. Next is a Young Guns for the New Jersey Devils, Mackenzie Blackwood. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Kiefer Sherwood. Portraits for the Vegas Golden Knights, William Karlsson. Stonewall, the first San Jose Sharks, Martin Jones. Martin Jones, San Jose Sharks, Stonewall. Alright, so we'll get there. There it is. Next one, we got a, Young Gun clear cuts for the Anaheim Ducks, Kiefer Sherwood. Nice hit for the Ducks, Kiefer Sherwood, Young Gun clear cut, so that's why we got me. Let's get back in a bit. Yeah. Next, we got a canvas for the Dallas Stars, Radek Faksa. Jaeger-Years. Pittsburgh Penguins. I'm lucky with those areas lately. Last 2 packs of Series 1. Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres. Rasmus Dahlin. Dahlin and County. And last pack of Series 1, we had a portrait and Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. So that was Series 1. That's a nice box. Yeah, nice clear cut. Dahlin Young Gun. Always fun to have some good boxes. So now, no surprise, I'll be doing the artifacts. First game. What do we start with? We start with Autofacts for the Flyers, Tyler Lyer. Tyler Lyer, Autofacts, Flyers. Next, we get a dual jersey out of 165, Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. Jamie Benn for Dallas out of 165. Third pack, what do we have? A rookie emerald, number to 99, Pittsburgh Penguins, Zach Aston-Reese. 99 rookie emerald, Aston-Reese for Pittsburgh. Next, we get that's a good one. Artifact rookie redemption, Carolina Hurricane. Look at that, smart. That's why you wanted to see if you get the artifacts. That's a nice hit. Pack number 5, you get a base. Number 349, Ruby, Pittsburgh. Sidney Crosby. Crosby, Ruby, Pittsburgh. Pack number 6, another Ruby, 349 for Boston, Willie O'Ree. Willie O'Ree, Boston. Last 2 packs. What do we have? Another Ruby, this time number 299, New York Islanders. New York Islanders, Anders Lee. And the last pack of artifacts. Something special. Aura for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. So Carey Price, Aura for Montreal. Alright, so that was artifacts. Nice redemption, Carolina. And now Black Diamond. Moment of truth. Exquisite. Black Diamond. Empty box. Of course. We start with exquisite number 225. Nashville Predators. Eeli Tolvanen. 37 of 225 Tolvanen for Nashville. It's crazy. You take Nashville, you get Black Diamond hits. This draft commissioner knows it.
We're gonna go 4 boys here.
Thursday, eh? Yep. Alright, what do we have? We start with a base card. 249, Edmonton Oilers. Connor McDavid. 11 out of 249 for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Next, we've got a run for the cup. I like those. Carolina Hurricanes, Andrei Svechnikov, run for the cup. 75 out of 99, Svechnikov, run for the cup. Next, we got a Diamond Mine Relics, jersey for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Kopitar for the Los Angeles Kings. We got a rookie gem, so autograph, rookie, number 199. Toronto Maple Leafs, Travis Dermott. Travis Dermott for the Leafs. And the last hit is, what do we have? 149 out of 199 for that Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa Bay Lightning out of 199, so dual jersey. And Tony Chiarelli, nice 2 colors, so white and blue. Chiarelli, rookie jersey, rookie booklet, Tampa Bay. And the last box now, number 2. There we go. Exquisite. Ooh, yeah. Oh, wow. Alright, so rookie patch number 299, but that's the eye of the Predator. Nashville Predators. Eeli Tolvanen. Yeah, it's crazy, eh? So Nashville Predators added again. Elite Tolvanen. So Brad, good thing you're taking Nashville every time, because you got some really nice hits. Alright, and now Black Diamond pack, last pack of our enters. So I'll use your fresh enter for the next point. What do we start with? Base number to 249, LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Next, we get an autograph. What do we have? 55 out of 99 Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. Autograph out of 99 for Florida Panthers, Barkov. That's a nice one. Ricky Gem, Buffalo Sabres, Casey Mittelstadt. Casey Mittelstadt, Ricky Gem for Buffalo. We've got a Team Logos Jumbles, Vegas Golden Knights, William Karlsson. William Karlsson, Team Logos Jumbles for Vegas. All right, 2 cards left. What do we have? We got a Rookie Gem autograph, 154 of 199, Florida Panthers, Henrik Borgstrom. Borgstrom, Florida Panthers. And our last hit is a patch. 46 out of 50 for the Dallas Stars, Alexander Radulov. Dallas Stars. That's your guy, eh? So that was another nice break, guys. So many good cards. Like I said, I'll be posting the last one for tonight. So 6 tins, so I have case of tins with a 3 box of Black Diamond. So Black Diamond box will be for the new enter. So thanks, guys. I'll be posting it right away. Posting it. Right, true. Booklets are beautiful this year, Mark. With the silhouette on the left.